Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to talk about Python while loops. But first, if you like videos like this where I show you programming tutorials or where I show you how to install or set up software, please make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, let's get started. So when you create a while loop, you actually do need a counter, and you need to create that variable beforehand. So I'm going to create a variable called counter, and I'm going to set it equal to 0. And now we can use our while loop. So I could say something like while counter is less than 10. That was my cat jumping up there. What I could do is I could say print counter. Okay. Now if I just ran the loop as is, well, let me show you what's going to happen. We just get it continually printing 0. Okay. So I'm going to actually dump this. That was an infinite loop. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to basically increase the counter in the loop. So after this, I could print some, or I could type something like counter plus equals 1. Okay, so now it's going to increase each time through the loop. All right, so now if I run it, I get 0 through 9. Now if I wanted to change this to 1 through 10, that's easy enough. I could change this to less than or equal to, and I could change this to 1. And now if I run it, I get down here 1 through 10. Okay, so that's a simple while loop printing 1 through 10. If I wanted to print just odd numbers, we did an example of this in the for loop. I could start at 1. I could do less than or equal to 11. Let's say I want to print 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. And for the counter here, I could do plus equals 2. And that's how I would change the step in a while loop. Okay, so if I run this now, I get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. All right, and in the for loop video, we also did an example where we went down, where we started at a higher number and went down. And we can do that in while loops as well. So let's start the counter at 10. And instead of less than or equal to, let's just say greater than 0. And let's change the step here to minus equals 1. Okay, so now if I run this, I get 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like, as it will help get out to more people. Thank you.